Wood sawing machines are not only tools but also symbols of progress and strength in the wood industry. Join us to explore the power of these machines through the following video. Wow, giant pine wood measuring 12x24 and 60 feet long is being processed by a chainsaw system. The feeling of seeing the saw strings running strong and fast but still maintaining absolute precision makes people surprised. Every cut of the Woodland Mills HM130 Max wood saw is a symbol of the power and craftsmanship of modern technology. The sharpness of this giant saw blade delivers incredible performance. However, it makes me a little worried about safety during use. Wow, this is the most terrible expensive monster mahogany this sawmill has ever made. The Maho Super Machine has the ability to saw wood with amazing precision, making it hard to believe that it has existed for more than a decade. He was very excited to create a 19x20 log on the Maho Minimax wood saw. The craftsmanship and power of this wood saw is not only a symbol of technological progress, but also a reflection of human ingenuity. They need to be careful when cutting 1x8M pine boards with the super fast Maho Minimax saw. The owner of this sawmill is extremely excited to cut some beautiful pine wood panels with his extremely powerful and precise saw. Watch how smoothly the Norwood Lumber8 LM30 handheld circular saw cuts logs up to 76 cm 30 in diameter into boards up to 64 cm 25 wide. With sharp saw blades that can cut large logs, the Sawquip Logripper X09 wood saw is a symbol of progress and strength in the wood industry. This 1830mm saw is equipped with a blade specifically designed for wood sawing applications to split large types of wood into smaller pieces, convenient for subsequent processing. In Australia, thanks to the Steel MS881 chainsaw, workers quickly finished cutting trees and processed them into 3 tons of firewood for the cold winter. He was very excited by the power of this style MS661 chainsaw, which helped him get the job done quickly. Among the most powerful chainsaws today, the Husqvarna 572 XP helps easily take down giant trees. I am really impressed with this homemade wood saw, although rudimentary. It is extremely effective, but workers also need to keep a safe distance. The great skill of the chainsaw operator produced uniform 2.5 cmx 3cm planks. He created a powerful style MS881 chainsaw milling combination, which saved him a lot of time on this maple tree cutting job. Designed to make no noise, the Makita HS06 270mm electric saw is a great choice for workers who like quiet. With the Locosol M8 saw, you can quickly produce premium boards and panels from your logs in arbitrary lengths and sizes. Even with the toughest logs, this sharp saw proves its incredible power and capabilities. This wood cutting machine with a multifunction design helps save maximum time during the cutting and wood processing process. It's incredible to see that the Rotten H21D wood saw can process up to 5 tons of wood per hour powerfully and efficiently. Now let's see with me how heavy machinery in forestry works. The Ponzi Fox 8x8 is equipped with advanced technology that can handle hardwood logs easily and quickly. With its advanced design, this amazing technology demonstrates its power by easily dividing logs evenly for easy transportation and quick handling. The appearance of the style Mississippi 500 I saw has helped him save time processing giant logs, creating high efficiency at work. In cold weather, the cutting machine still works non-stop. With high speed and precision, this machine quickly defeats the giants. Embark on a wood carving adventure with the Husqvarna 572 XP. This chainsaw has impressive cutting power, handling dry wood with ease and exceptional speed.
Before using, they always have tests like this to check the machine.
The time it takes for this machine to process a tree only takes about 3 minutes. With its advanced design and rugged construction, the Waratah 622 delivers unprecedented performance and reliability in harvesting operations, ensuring efficient wood processing with precision and speed. The Timber Pro Tennessee 735D with the JP Skidmore CF2 fixed head is a dynamic duo that redefines efficiency in forestry operations. With a powerful motor and advanced cutting head, the machine is capable of handling large woods with ease. They were cutting down a large cypress tree to build a temple. In addition to delicate tree cutting techniques, equipping such sharp sawing machines is essential. With many years of experience in controlling giant machines, the man makes the process of moving and cutting wood smoother and faster. The trees are cut accurately and arranged neatly. The Mississippi 362R saw turns dense logs into small pieces with unparalleled precision at an impressive speed of 362 units. The Nisula 425C is a multi-purpose harvester equipped with a clamping arm that makes handling and classifying wood easy. The NCU3 control system adjusts the grip force of the handle to the tree trunk to firmly help the cutting process. With its advanced design, this amazing technology demonstrates its power by easily dividing logs evenly for easy transportation and quick handling. The appearance of the style Mississippi 500 I saw has helped him save time processing giant logs, creating high efficiency at work. In cold weather, the cutting machine still works non-stop. With high speed and precision, this machine quickly defeats the giants. With the power of the HF800 2-speed cone splitter, it achieves excellent results in wood splitting, turning heavy logs into manageable pieces. The Stihl MS500i is an advanced chainsaw designed to conquer huge blocks of wood with finesse. This beast delivers incredible performance, easily cutting through large logs with its advanced fuel-injected engine. Close-up of the giant log cutting process of the Stihl MS362 saw. In the world of woodworking masters, this chainsaw is a symphony of raw power and precision. Plays an important role in the development of the current forestry industry. A modern chainsaw that takes on the challenge of cutting down giant trees with precision and power, with incredible cutting speed to easily handle towering giants. Embark on a wood carving adventure with the Husqvarna 572 XP. This chainsaw has impressive cutting power, handling dry wood with ease and exceptional speed. This exceptional chainsaw, renowned for its unparalleled speed and potency, revolutionizes the logging industry by spotlighting cutting-edge technology for swift wood processing. Efficient and precise even in cold conditions. The Legend chainsaw, designed with precision engineering and cutting-edge technology, boasts an impressive length of 105 centimeters. This specialized tool is meticulously crafted for the efficient and effective cutting of substantial logs that are both large and long in size. This ash tree can be dangerous to people below, so they have to cut it down, which is also very difficult. At this speed, it takes less than 5 seconds to cut through an 80-year-old oak branch. With an incredible cutting rate, this chainsaw not only accelerates timber processing but also minimizes labor requirements, presenting a revolutionary solution for forestry and lumber industries. This Husky 572 XP chainsaw is lightweight and portable to meet the needs of arborists, allowing them to move through tree canopies with ease and precision. Introducing the Husqvarna 3120 XP chainsaw with a powerful 118cc engine. It delivers an impressive 8.4 horsepower, perfect for tackling the toughest tasks.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.